This is where the Constitution pipeline is going to come through. From this corner, if it gets approved, it's going to start here for about 20 miles, 22 miles, and then go into New York for a total of 100 miles or so. So this is the Central, Williams Central compressor station. And you can hear the noise. Let's listen to the sound here. It's on almost 60 acres.
That's crazy.
We're about 500 feet. What do you think from that building?
I would not want to have my house right here.
Yeah, would you want your house here? This is 24/7 we have to listen to. Now, most of the people that are listening to it right here are in another world. So it's a graveyard, a cemetery. They're not complaining yet about the noise. And we're in the middle of here.
Now he's got a little nervous.
So we got a farm now. He's got to hear it.
He's got no phone, so
Oh, yeah.
he can't even...
So we got a farm right here, the Kozlowski farm.
Yeah.
They got to hear it. They must be hearing it.
Right. So do you, like most of these people that you